How to create a course. For creating a course, you should go to Learning Materials, then to Courses. Tap on Create New Course button. Of course, do not forget to add a title. The URL is automatically generated. If you haven't saved the course yet, it's possible to change the URL too. Here you can add an image and course description. Another part is course compliance. After activating the toggle, the students must watch or read the material to go forward, as you can see from the information button. Disable fast forwarding. Whenever you activate this toggle, your students must watch the 100% of the video, for example. Show course duration. Whenever enabling this toggle, you can show the duration of the course. Choose author. You can add here multiple authors and also you can create one. So the next part is the drip content. And what is the drip content? It gives us an opportunity to give access to each section or episode in particular time. For example, your course consists of 10 sections and you need second section to be available after 5 days of the purchase and the third section after 10 days and so on. So the drip content is designed to manage that. No drip content. No drip content means that whenever your student gets enrolled and buys the course, he or she has an access to all the episodes and the sections. Section drip content means that you can schedule whenever your section will be available for a student. Select drip content usage type. There are two types of drip content, from the enrollment and from the episode. Let's choose one of them and take to the next button. From videos and files, you can create sections and episodes. Let's create one. Title. From how many days this section will be available, this is part of the drip content, as you can remember. We can estimate 10 days. From 10 days, this section will be available. Okay, from here we can create new episodes. There are 6 types of episodes: video, audio, file, text, quiz, form. Please mention that you can upload zip files also. Let's explore the video. Here you should write the title, choose video types. They are available YouTube, Vimeo, Twitch, YouTube, and so on. From here you can choose if your video will be free or not. For example, your whole course can be paid, but this one particular video can be free. Here you can write the description and click on Save button. Audio. Audio files work the same. Here is an iframe with which you can add an audio file to your section. In text, please remember that whenever you do not want to save something, you should cancel it in order to go on. In quizzes, here you can write the title of the quiz and choose from your quizzes. That means that you need to create a quiz at first and then go back to attach quiz to the course. This means that passing your quiz becoming a must, and without passing it, your students cannot continue passing the course. Form, here you can write a title and as well choose from the existing forms. So here in this example, we have 2 sections with 2 episodes. So this icon is for moving episodes from one section to another. Let's click on the Move button. Then we should choose in which section we want to move this episode to. And marketing, move. So here you can find our video lesson in marketing. Quiz and certificate. In this section are presented the quizzes that your students need to pass in order to get a certificate. So here you can choose from the existing ones or create a new one. So here you can change the quiz name for this course. Here you can set how many times your students can pass the quiz, like 2 times. In this part you can choose if you want to give them a certificate or not. If you are going to give them a certificate, you should estimate the passing score. For example, in my case, it's 80%. This section is about pricing. There are two options to sell the course. The first option is free. That means that the course will be free and available for your website visitors. The second option is one-time payment. That means that you can just set a price, for example $10. If you want to make a discount, you can write another number here. You can estimate how many days the course will be available for the enrolled students. The next part is the settings. There are three ways that you can keep your course. It's on draft, published, and private. When it's on draft, only admins and authors or whoever created it can see it. And when it's published, it is available for all your users or website visitors. When it is private, only particular users can see it whenever you grant them an access. SEO settings. SEO is a great part of each website. It is necessary that you thoroughly choose whatever title, description, and keyword you are putting here, because this plays a major role in your success. Send notification. This toggles means that whenever you activate it, and whenever you are editing your course, your students will get notification. So from here you can delete your course and of course publish it. So here we get our course private URL because our course was private. Here is our course. There are some actions that can help you to manage the course. The first thing is edit. That's how you can edit your course, add or delete some details from it. Copy URL. From here you can share the URL of your course. Whoever wants to buy it can get this URL and come directly to buy a course. Duplicate. From here you can duplicate the course, enrolling students, and reviews. From here you can see what your students wrote about your course. We're going to enrolling students. From here you can add new. Place here an email address. For example, this one. And decide in which group they should be in. Save. And it shows that you gifted this course, in this case, to our 2 users. Here you can see how much of the course they completed. And here is the type of the course. It's a gift.